everyone, welcome to my channel. I really wanted to have pani puri, but there was no puris available anywhere. So me and my mom decided to make some at home. And it's so easy and needs only 2 ingredients. Today I'm going to be showing you how we made it. The 2 ingredients you will be needing are half cup semolina or rava, which will be exactly half of this bowl. 1 tablespoon maida or all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup hot water, which would be. Now we'll mix all these together in a bowl. We will be mixing this with a spoon as the water is hot. Mix it properly because no lumps should be formed. This dough gets kneaded really quick. Knead it like this once the water is cold. The consistency of your dough should be like this. Now we'll cover the dough with a moist cloth and keep it aside for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the dough is like this. We will be kneading it again. Now my mom will help me roll out the puris. The thickness of the puri should be like this. Keep the rest of the dough moist. Use an appropriate cutter to cut out the puris. Keep the rest of the puris moist with a wet cloth. Now let's start frying. The oil should be hot enough or else the puris will not rise. Place the wet side of the puris down and gently press with your strainer until they have risen. Once they have, quickly flip them over. My mom is helping me in placing the puris and it's so easy that even I can fry them. Again, place the wet side of the puri down and gently press with your strainer until they have risen. Wow, look how well it has risen. Now they are ready to be removed. Drain the excess oil and remove them. If you like this recipe, be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. These are how our puris have turned out. They're just perfect. Look how crunchy these puris are. Looks delicious. Also, do share this video with your family and friends and do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below.